Hi class, and welcome to today's math lesson. Let's get started by reading our I can statement. I can add and subtract a number sentence with a missing addend. We are going to continue to do this. We're going to be doing subtraction number sentences with a missing addend using a number line. Let's get started by doing our fact fluency. Okay, 1 plus 6, 7, good. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 9, 10. Great. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Let's move on to 2's. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 2 plus 8, oh, this is a partner to 10, 10. 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 8 plus 2, 10. All right, let's keep going. Let's do our 3's now. 3 plus 3, 6. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. 1 plus 3, 4. 8 plus 3, 8. 9, 10, 11, 11. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. 3 plus 6, 9. 3 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a partner to 10. 8 plus 3, 11. 3 plus 4, 7. Great job. All right, we are going to be doing subtraction problems. We just finished our fact fluency. We're going to be doing subtraction problems using a number line with a missing addend. So what is a missing addend? Remind me, Newton, what is a missing addend? He says it is when you have one missing part. You have two parts in an addition or subtraction problem, and you have a whole. You have the total. So Newton knows that a missing addend is when one of your parts is missing. So in a subtraction, thank you, Newton. In a subtraction problem, it looks like this when you have one of your parts missing. So, oh no, we are missing an addend. This right here, our biggest number, we talked about this yesterday, is our total or our whole. Our biggest number comes first. Our total comes first in a subtraction problem. Then this is a part, and this is a part in your subtraction problem. These are both parts. So I'm going to show you, looking at a number sentence, how can we put this on a number line? So you will put your dot on the biggest number, on the total, on your number line. And remind me, do we go this way when we subtract on a number line, or do we go backwards? Do we go this way or this way? That's right, we go backwards. We count backwards. So number 2, or this 2 right here in this number sentence, that's where you end. That's where you hop backwards to. And this part right here, our missing addend, that is the number of hops that you make. You count the number of hops you make. So let's do it together. Let's do this first one together. Then you'll pull out your notebook and pencil. You can pull out your number line and your frog hoppers. If you want to do this, you do not have to draw your number line just like last time. You can if you would like to, but if you can, draw your hops on your number line with a whiteboard marker if you have one. Okay, so let's get started. 7 take away what equals 2. So remember, we start with this number right here. So I'm going to put a dot here, and I'm going this way. So let's draw hops until we get to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I got to 2. I'm going to stop. I got to my difference. The answer in a subtraction problem is called the difference, so that's this number right here. It is one of the parts. And let's go back and count how many hops I drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 take away 5 equals 2. We just found it, yay! Let's do this one together. Go ahead and pull out your notebook and write this right here. 8 take away blank equals 4. So boys and girls, what number do I start with? Where do I put my first dot? That's right, with my first number, my biggest number, my total. How many do I count back? How many do I go backwards? That's right, my difference, or one of my parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 hops. Then I'm going to go back. Oh, I'm going to go back and I'm going to count how many hops I did. I'm going to count by touching the middle of the hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. So please write that number sentence. 8 take away 4 equals 4. If you have a whiteboard marker, you may draw your hops on your number line. Okay, let's do our next one together. 12 take away 5, and feel free to pause the video anytime you need extra time to write. 12 take away what equals 5? So where do we start? What number do we start with? Our biggest number, which is our total. We're going to put a dot there, 12. How many do we hop backwards? It's subtraction. We're going backwards. One of our parts, our difference, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I just made a mistake. Ms. Z just made a mistake in explaining. We do not make 5 hops backwards, do we? We do hops until we get to this number. This is our stopping point, right? Where this just happened to be a double. 4 and 4 make 8, right? So we did do 4 hops backwards and it got us to our stopping point. But this number right here, just a reminder, is our stopping point. That does not tell us how many hops we make. This number tells us how many hops we make. I corrected myself as I was explaining. That's a great thing to do, to have growth mindset. All of us make mistakes and all of us mess up sometimes, but we correct ourselves and we learn from it, right, boys and girls? Okay, so this number is our stopping point, not how many hops we make. This is how many hops we make. So let's go back and count our hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 12 take away 7 equals 5. Great job. Feel free to pause the video. I want you to go ahead and fill that in, that number sentence. Let's do our next one. What's our starting point? Where do we start? Yeah, our biggest number, our total, 17. And where is our stopping point? That's right, this one right here, 6 is our stopping point. So let's go all the way to 6, hops all the way to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's go back and count them, touching the middle of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 17 take away 11 equals 6. Go ahead and write that. We have one more, then I'm going to show us our seesaw activity. Okay, 20 take away blank equals 10. Where's our starting point? That's right, our total, our biggest number, 20. And we're going to hop all the way until we get to 10. Then we're going to stop there. That's our stopping point. Remember, this number right here is our stopping point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. Oh, that's our stopping point. I got to 10. Now we're going to go back and count how many hops there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 20 take away 10 equals 10. I want to do a quick review with us before we go. So remember, this is our starting point in any missing, add, and subtraction number sentence. It's your biggest number or your total. This is your stopping point, where you hop to. So it's where you hop to, not how many hops you make. You don't make 2 hops. You hop until you get to 2 on the number line. And this number here is how many hops you make. So you're going to go back and you're going to count your hops that you drew. Okay, let's go ahead and let's look at our seesaw activity. So you're going to be seeing something very similar to what you saw the other day with addition, but it's subtraction. So right here, we see our total. 8 take away blank equals 3. So remember, this is our starting point. So let's do this together. So let's start at 8. And boys and girls, are we hopping this way or this way? We're hopping this way. That's right. We're subtracting, going backwards. And we're going to make hops until we get to 3. Okay, let's keep hopping, hopping, hopping. I got to 3. Stop. Stop right there. And let's go back and count how many hops we made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We made 5 hops. 8 take away 5 equals 3. Great job. You are going to do these ones on your own, and when you're finished, you're going to make sure you click the check to turn it in. I am so proud of the work that we did today. Keep up the great work and keep working on missing add-on problems. They're a little tricky, but I know you can figure it out. All right, bye, boys and girls.